In these unprecedented times around the world, one thing is certain. Front Street revitalization in Thorold is taking shape one stage at a time. That's what the City of Thorold's Sean Dunsmore reports in an update on the downtown project. Sidewalks, curbs, and the road base are near completion, and renderings are now becoming a reality. Trees are scheduled for installation by the end of September. Sean tells us these have been challenging times. But the city's manager of engineering says the people of Thorold and its businesses deserve a vibrant downtown that showcases entrepreneurialism, creativity, and a sense of community. The project should be completed by the middle of October. The top coat of asphalt on Front Street would be applied by that time. Look for a soft opening of Front Street in November. You don't have to wait until then. Businesses are now open. Merchants would love to see you in downtown Thorold. As we view the project in progress today, Sean says we are building the future with great partners.